Ma'am, first of all, congratulations on your daughter securing the university rank.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
When you first shared the news, what was your immediate reaction?
I was very happy. I was confident that she will get a rank. Once she told that she got the rank, I was very happy and I had confidence that our college would help her to get the rank also.
As your mother, being a government officer, how did you support her during her academic journey?
I used to give her little time, but I tried to give her more time so that she can prepare for her exams. But basically, she was an intelligent girl. She was preparing herself. I used to support her. I was giving her moral support rather than being with her or following her what she is doing. I was very much confident on her that she will do her the best. So she has done her best, and I have supported her morally all the way.
Did she follow any specific timetable or did which you noticed?
No, she was quite a easygoing girl, but she was confident that she should score some marks. Then she was concentrating on her subjects and academics, and she was giving equal time for everything. So she was not so stressed or not so tensed to do anything. She had a planned timetable, so that when she followed that, she ensured that she is doing her best.
Ma'am, can you tell us how important was the role of the college in your daughter's success?
College, basically, when I just searched for colleges to get her graduation done, I had been to some government colleges also. I had been to Bangalore also. Then I felt STC college was doing good, and I used to listen that they are just like a very much disciplined college where even graduates are treated as school students. So that was the basic thing. I got interested in the college, and I came and spoke to the secretary madam, and I also spoke to her and other teachers also cordially told that they will take care of the child, because since being a government employee, I was not having much time to give her. So I needed a college where she can be pampered, where she can be tutored. So I felt that this college would be best for her. So I got her admitted here.
How do you think this will inspire other students too?
Of course, even my sister's daughter is admitted here in the college, because I felt that Honusha was doing good, and the teachers, faculty, principal, secretary, their HODs, everyone gave their utmost interest to the students. When she was not attending the class, when she was not well, I used to say, okay, you rest, don't go to college. But I used to get a call, madam, your daughter has not come to college today. So they were so conscious that the student is in the college or not. So that is the basic thing we need, so that she is followed up, she is guided properly. So I feel that everybody should have this kind of environment to study.
What message would you like to give to the college management on this proud occasion?
I would heartfully say thank you to the college, Shabaz sir, then Abhimanyu sir. I only know few of them because I used to not come to college regularly, but still they were in touch with me while she was doing her graduation. I'm very thankful for each and everyone who have supported Bhanusha to score rank in the university. That's a great honor for her and honor for our family also. And now again she has done her PG also in a good college. The base for PG is the graduation college that she could do here. People say only if they go to cities only they will study. No, even in our Kolar also we have good colleges like best colleges like SDC, where students can score ranks and they can achieve their goals and achievements in their life. And she has now pursued her MBA, and she has got a placement also in a good company. So I'm happy for the college and for my daughter also.